Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Meghur, also known as Avi, and I am a PhD student in the field of biology. And you guys can see I'm wearing a blue liner because I just don't know, I adore it because it looks really nice on my skin tone. So I thought that I will just wear a blue liner today. And today's video is going to be how I use the Ordinary Multi-peptide and Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Before, this serum was known as the Buffet Serum by the Ordinary. I absolutely love the multi-peptide plus hyaluronic acid serum. It has a nice consistency. If you can see, it is like really loaded with peptides and amino acid. It is so good for all the skin types, whether it be Caucasian skin or skin of color. And I use it on daily basis, and I have achieved really clear skin after using it for 2 months straight, and I really love it. And the total hydration on my skin has also improved. I will just apply just a drop on it so that you can see how it's the consistency. It just, is so liquidy, and when you apply it on your skin, it just gently blends on your skin and also gets absorbed really fast. It's just so nice, and then you can just pat it up slowly and it just gets absorbed into your skin easily. Within a few seconds you can see that it has absorbed into the skin and it has a nice shine, very natural kind of a shine, which means that it has different hyaluronic humectants on it, which holds the water from the surrounding and helps it to penetrate into your skin. So let's just jump into the routine that I follow every day in the morning as well as in the evening time, and what are the different products that I apply on my skin. Alright, starting off with face cleaning, I use the Garnier Micellar Water, and it is one of the gentle surfactant that I have used till now. It is really good for all skin type, whether it be Caucasian skin or skin of color. I just load a little bit of product and gently rub it on my face, whether it be my eye area, whether it be on my lips, and also my neck, so that I don't forget to also take care of my neck area. And I make sure that all the active ingredients that I have applied at night time is removed in the daytime, and all the sunscreen that I have applied in the daytime is removed at the night time. So it is a really gentle surfactant to start with, and you kind of prep your skin for the next ingredients that you're gonna apply. Okay, before I do my skincare, I always make sure that I clean my mouth. I brush it even in morning time as well as at night time before I do my skincare, because your oral health is also related to your health of the body. Then I use the CeraVe Foaming Cleanser. I absolutely love this product because it has ceramides and different humectant and moisturizing agents, which doesn't leave my skin really dry. I have a combination skin of oily skin and dry skin type in the certain areas of my face, so this cleanser really works well for me. I gently lather it up between my hands, and then I just like to rub it all over my face and remove all the dirt from my face. After I have washed my face, I use a paper towel. It's the face paper towel, where you can get it in the grocery stores and all the stores. Just gently pat it on the skin. Don't use harsh rubbing motion because it can lead to fine lines on your skin. So gently pat and remove all the excess water. You need damp skin to apply all the ingredients. So make sure that you just pat it, not rub it all over your face. Then I use the Avene thermal spring water. It is amazing product. I really like it, but it's still a controversy because not everyone likes this product. I like to spray it all over my face because it is formulated for sensitive skin type, and I do have a sensitive skin, and I can easily get a burn, scratch, or else a hyperpigment. So I just start off by spraying it on my face and then applying my different serums. One more thing that I really like to do is, like, just after spraying it on my face, I like to massage it into my skin so that all the elements present in this water can be absorbed by my skin so that it can increase its growth rate and the cell turnover. Then I leave this product for 5 minutes on my skin so that it can be absorbed, and then after that I move ahead with my next steps. After 5 minutes of waiting, I used the multi-peptide plus hyaluronic acid serum, and my skin is a bit damp till now. And then I take 3 to 4 drops and apply it directly on my skin. So I make sure that the tip of the dropper doesn't touch my skin. It can be really unhygienic, so I make sure that it has a quite enough distance whenever I am just dropping the product on my skin, not touching the tip on my skin. Now, with the help of my middle finger and ring finger, I like to gently spread the serum on my face, and I also massage it for a good 1 to 2 minutes. And you can see that I also like to rub it on my cheek area, my upper lip area, my neck, and I also apply it on the eyelids so that I don't have to spend more money on my eye serums. So I just apply it everywhere on my face and just let it nicely absorb, and also massage it in a gentle way. Then I use the CeraVe moisturizing cream. It is one of my favorite cream. I always use it on my whole body as well as my face. It is loaded with ceramides and moisturizing agents which are essential for the proper functioning of your skin barrier. So I just take a scoop. I don't just put my finger and scoop it out. I have a proper little tool to scoop out my moisturizer because I find it really unhygienic to do it with my finger. And then I just dot the product all over my face area as well as my neck area. I also apply it on my eyelids because I think that your eyes also need the same attention as your face. So I just dot it everywhere on my face, and then I gently massage it into my skin for a good 5 minutes. After that, I take the Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. It is one of the natural moisturizing agent, and I just apply it on my lips because your lips need also attention as it is having a thinner skin as compared to your face. So drinking enough water and applying lip balm at least for 3 to 4 times in a day can make it look much more plumpy, soft, and really supple lips. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and if you really like this video, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. So till then, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.